Welcome back to Excel with Mark, and today what we're going to be looking at is how we can change the values based on what they say, and if we want to have everything within a column turn a certain colour based on its value, then this is how we can quickly and easily do it. We can see here that we have some orders, we have some items, and we have the risk of the item. If we're working in a warehouse and we want to make these stand out a little bit more based on whether they're low, medium or high risk items for us, then this is how we can quickly change these so that it'll make the cells different colours, and we can also format it to do whatever we want. So what we can start out doing is then we can select the different cells here that we have going down the column, and we're going to click onto the Home tab and use Conditional Formatting. So clicking into there, we want to go from here to Highlight Cells Rules, and we want it to be equal to. We can see that we have this little pop-up here, so we'll start out with the low. So if we just type in low here, and then here is the part where we can change it and make it look however we want. You can see down in the cells here that it's already changed it to the red writing and the red at the back of it, but we can change it to however we want down here. As it's low, we'll just stick with this one for now, and we'll click OK. Still keeping the cells highlighted, then we can change the conditional formatting again for anything that is medium. And this time, rather than the red, we're going to click onto the yellow for this one, and we can have the writing there dark yellow again. But this time what we're going to do for the high is we're going to click into conditional formatting, and we're going to go equals to. But when we type in the high, what we can do this time is we can go down here and we can click the custom format. So within this then we can go and we can change the fills, and we can make the fills for anything that's high risk, say a green, and we can change the border. We could add borders there if we wanted to. We can change the fonts, and we can make them bolder, stand out a little bit more if they wanted to. And then we don't need to worry about anything within this because we have no kind of need to change or format the cells as such. So once we've done what we need to do, we can click OK, and we can see now that the cells have gone green if they're high, medium for that, and so on and so on if we click OK. Now within this, if you wanted to change any of your cells, you can click into it, and if we change that to low, say, we can see that the cells will change and the backgrounds will also change depending on what we want them to be or how we are. If I can spell it right, there we are, and we can see that all the cells will change and the numbers will change, so the colours will change. So hopefully that helps you guys. If you have any questions about that, don't forget to leave it in the comments, and I'll hopefully see you again soon.